Here are 3 things I wish I knew about money when I was in my 20s. Number 1 is not all debt is bad debt. There's a difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is leveraging other people's money, like the banks, in order to be able to use that money to grow wealthy assets. For example, when you go purchase an investment property or you purchase a business, you're using that debt to generate more wealth and more assets. So it's considered a good debt. Bad debt would be buying things like clothes, cars, things that depreciate in value that are not going to grow your wealth or assets, but are actually going to just put you in more debt, and they're not going to appreciate over time or give you any value. Number 2 is investing money is more important than saving money. When you invest money, meaning you put money into things that allow the money to grow even more, is more important than saving a little bit of money in your bank every month. Why is that? Because investing money is actually going to allow you to increase your wealth way faster than actually just saving money. Number 3 is investing in yourself. Investing in yourself is super important. Why? Because knowledge is power, guys. When you invest in yourself, you are getting better at things that are going to allow you to generate more income and become more wealthy.